It looks promising.
It was not promising. You ended up like someone's stuff.
The green
Oh my god.
We're gonna have to get these birds the fuck out of here.
Oh my. They're not gonna want to move.
Oh, they will.
Do you want to run after them with me?
No, I'm not running and looking like...
Yeah, no, do you know how cool it would be when they all fly away?
Yeah.
Go do it! Go do it!
No.
I'll do it and you can record.
Okay. I'll record. I'll look like an idiot right now.
Why don't you want to do it?
Okay. Courtney's...
Why don't you want to do it?
Because it's a little embarrassing.
Why?
We're not stopping right here.
I know.
Okay. Go ahead, run. Run. Oh, look at Courtney. Look like an idiot. No. Idiot. She's so stupid. They just shit everywhere. I hope you're happy that you made the birds shit on the little kids in the strollers.
How cool did it look though? Did it look pretty cool?
Yeah, it's gonna